Today we're in Levy County at the lower Withlacoochee River where it flows into the Gulf, and we're doing oyster surveys. I'm Kym Rouse Holzwart. I'm a lead ecologist with the Southwest Florida Water Management District. Monitoring the status of the oyster populations is really important because they are important biological indicators of the status or the health of the river in the Gulf. We have a map of 50 oyster bars that we surveyed 3 years ago, and we're seeing how that changed over the 3 years, especially because we had 2 bad hurricanes go through the area last summer. This oyster bar is an example of the storm surge that came, that all the oysters are on the other side right now. And another thing we're seeing on a lot of the oyster bars out in the Gulf is there's tons and tons of little oysters as the oyster bars are recovering.
You're looking for ones that are not open.
We're looking at how many of them are alive versus dead, how tall the oysters are, like how big the oysters are, and to see if that has changed the last few years.
19.
Surveying the oysters is really important because it's one of the pieces of ecological information that the district uses to make informed management decisions.
We'll walk the edge of this bar with sub-meter GPS and we'll mark where we see the boundaries of it. That's something that we can compare to last time.
One preliminary thing that we've also seen is the oyster bars have extended farther upriver than they were 3 years ago. Oysters are really important for a number of reasons. They help filter the water, so they're important for water quality. They're important for people, number one, as food, and also because they help armor the shoreline and they provide habitat for a lot of other things, fish, crabs, birds, nest on them. The oysters have a preferred habitat, not too salty, not too fresh, in the estuary area. We have to make sure for our management decisions that we protect those areas.